Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the 25 health benefits of pomegranates. The red rich fruit is known to be one of the healthiest for a reason. It is called as a divine fruit because it is the most mentioned fruit in theological books. Pomegranate has antioxidant, antiviral, and anti-tumor properties and is said to be a good source of vitamins, especially vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, as well as folic acid. It contains two compounds, punicolagen and punicic acid, which give it all the potent benefits. In fact, you will be surprised to learn that the antioxidants present in pomegranates are almost 3 times higher than green tea. Eating pomegranates on a daily basis, or drinking the juice can be an excellent aid for your immunity, fight type 2 diabetes, keep blood pressure in check, smoothen digestion, and make your skin glow too. It is native to Iran and is cultivated widely in both hemispheres. The skin of the pomegranate fruit turns red when ripe but is generally not eaten. Inside are its arils that are used to extract the juice. This juice has been touted to treat various ailments. Nutritional profile of pomegranate juice. Fresh pomegranate juice is a nutrition powerhouse packed with abundant vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, fatty acids, and zero cholesterol. Surprisingly, it is also low in calories. According to the USDA, these are the nutrients present in every 100 grams of fresh pomegranate juice. Energy, 54 kilocalories, protein, 0.15 grams, carbohydrate, 13.13 grams, dietary fiber, 0.1 grams, sugar, 12.65 grams. Pomegranate juice is rich in nutrients, such as vitamin A, thiamine, niacin, folate, riboflavin, potassium, magnesium, zinc, and calcium. It also contains various organic acids, like ascorbic acid, citric acid, malic acid, and fumaric acid, and amino acids like methionine, proline, and valine. Let's discuss the health benefits of pomegranates. Number 1. Help in the treatment of skin cancer. Several skincare products contain pomegranate as one of the ingredients for its strong protective effects on the skin. Pomegranate fruit is rich in antioxidants and protects the skin cells from the oxidative stress induced by UVB radiation. Exposure to the sun and environmental factors are the leading causes of skin cancer. Pomegranate fruit extract was also found to protect from UVB-induced photoaging markers. It could help in the treatment of skin cancer. In addition to fighting skin cancer, pomegranate juice may also delay the signs of skin aging, including wrinkles and fine lines, possibly because of its vitamin C. Number 2. Promote weight loss. Evidence states that pomegranates have been used in numerous instances to promote weight loss. This can be attributed to the fiber in the fruits. Studies also show that pomegranate and its extracts can play a role in fat reduction. Number 3. Beneficial during pregnancy. Pomegranate juice may reduce pregnancy complications. Some research shows that juice can reduce oxidative stress in the human placenta, which is key to a pregnancy outcome. Number 4. Prevent colon cancer. Drinking pomegranate juice may reduce the risk factors associated with colon cancer. The tannins, allergic acid, and punicolagen in pomegranate juice have anti-proliferative effects on colon cells. Researchers observed that the allergitannins in pomegranate juice could also play a role in the prevention of colon cancer. Number 5. Treat fatty liver disease. Pomegranate seeds reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, and, as a result, help fight fatty liver disease. In rat studies, regular consumption of pomegranates was found to prevent non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. In another rat study, the fruit was found to protect the liver and other organs in jaundice. Number 6. Clear clogged arteries. Pomegranate juice is rich in antioxidants and polyphenols. Research shows that these organic compounds possess anti-atherogenic properties. Atherosclerosis is a disease that causes the blood vessels in the arteries to narrow down due to plaque buildup. A study shows that pomegranate juice enhances nitric oxide synthase and prevents nitric oxide from oxidative destruction. It is believed that this may help reverse atherosclerosis lesions. In another research, advanced atherosclerotic patients with carotid artery stenosis, when regularly administered with pomegranate juice during the period of study, showed significant improvement in health conditions. Number 7. Prevent cardiovascular disease. Pomegranate and its powerful components have been in use in medical science to alleviate coronary artery disease, hypertension, and peripheral artery disease. Arterial hypertension increases the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Scientists have investigated and believe that pomegranate juice reduces stress in coronary artery endothelial cells. Cardiovascular diseases can also be caused by drugs or chemicals. Further experiments show that pomegranate fruit extracts offer protection against cardiotoxicity. Number 8. Help treat erectile dysfunction. The antioxidants in pomegranate juice reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can lead to erectile dysfunction. In a trial experiment, pomegranate juice was found to improve mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. Number 9. Lower blood cholesterol levels. Pomegranate contains high amounts of polyphenols and other antioxidants that are 3 times more than what we find in green tea. These antioxidants can help lower bad cholesterol. Statistical data collected in a study involving some patients showed a significant reduction in plasma LDL after consuming pomegranate juice. It was also noted that phytosterols present in pomegranate could reduce serum LDL. Number 10. Help treat prostate cancer. Investigations involving both animal and human models show that pomegranate juice can improve prostate cancer. Clinical evidence suggests that pomegranate fruit extract decreases serum prostate-specific antigen levels and, therefore, may possess both chemotherapeutic and chemopreventive effects against prostate cancer. Number 11. Lower blood pressure. Studies show that pomegranate juice can lower blood pressure. Both systolic and diastolic blood pressure could be brought down with regular administration or consumption of pomegranate juice. Findings collected from animal and clinical studies indicate that drinking pomegranate juice can reduce blood pressure, both short-term and long-term. Number 12. Boost fertility and increase testosterone levels. In mythology, pomegranate is considered to be an aphrodisiac fruit. Evidence-based clinical studies state that drinking natural pomegranate juice regularly lowers stress, reduces cortisol, promotes well-being, and increases drive in both men and women. Number 13. Treat kidney stones. Several studies have linked oxidative stress to kidney stone formation. Pomegranate juice fights oxidative stress. A pilot study indicated that supersaturation of calcium oxalate could be lowered with pomegranate juice. Number 14. Diabetes treatment. Researchers have established that pomegranate juice reduces oxidative stress and lipid peroxidation in cells that affect type 2 diabetes. However, more clinical studies are needed before pomegranate or its juice can be medically recommended for diabetes treatment. Number 15. Manage arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of pomegranate juice may have beneficial effects in cases of osteoarthritis. The compounds present in pomegranate can slow down cartilage deterioration and block the enzymes that lead to osteoarthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis, which is characterized by inflammation, pain, and stiffness, can be managed with pomegranate juice intake. Number 16. Treatment of Alzheimer's disease. A 15-month study revealed that long-term dietary supplementation with pomegranate juice increased autophagy, inhibited inflammation, and decreased cerebral amyloid beta aggregates. Other studies have also led to the understanding of the neuroprotective effects in pomegranate. The juice was found to increase memory and prevent memory loss as well. Number 17. May reduce breast cancer risk. Drinking pomegranate juice may have potential benefits to slow or even prevent the growth of breast cancer. Laboratory tests suggest that L-glutanins found in pomegranate juice can stop estrogen production, and this may help prevent breast cancer, which is usually estrogen responsive. Number 18. Promote oral health. Recent studies have proven that pomegranates work wonderfully well in strengthening the gums and fastening loose teeth. They are also effective against oral bacteria as they possess antimicrobial properties. Research has found that pomegranate seeds can have a positive effect on dental plaque microorganisms. In another study, a gel made from the fruit was found to be effective in treating gingivitis. Number 19. Boost digestive health. Pomegranate seeds boost digestive health as they have B-complex vitamins. These vitamins help your body convert fat, protein, and carbohydrates into energy. The seeds also contain fiber, another essential nutrient for digestion. This fiber prevents and treats constipation as well. As the seeds have anti-inflammatory properties, they can treat other gastrointestinal issues, like ulcerative colitis. Number 20. Strengthen the immune system. The powerful antioxidants in pomegranate seeds strengthen the immune system. Studies show how they can effectively combat bacteria and viruses that affect human health. Not just that, pomegranates also help treat several other ailments associated with a weakened immune system. Number 21. Protects us from free radicals. Pomegranate is rich in antioxidants and thus protects our body from free radicals, which are responsible for premature aging. Free radicals are formed by exposure to sun and due to harmful toxins in the environment. Number 22. It thins your blood. Antioxidants present in pomegranate act as a thinner for your blood. The seeds of a pomegranate prevent your blood platelets from forming clots and coagulating. There are two types of blood clots. First is a good one, which speeds the recovery during a cut or an injury, and second is when there is any internal clot, like in heart, arteries, or anywhere else inside the body. Number 23. It acts like an oxygen mask. Pomegranate helps to pump the level of oxygen in our blood. Due to antioxidants present in pomegranate, it fights free radicals, reduces cholesterol, and prevents blood clot. All this eventually helps blood to flow freely and thus improve the level of oxygen in your body. Number 24. Lower stress levels. Apart from reducing body's internal oxidative stress, pomegranates also help lower psychological stress that you go through in your personal and professional life. According to a study conducted by Queen Margaret University, people who drank pomegranate juice had lower levels of cortisol, a stress hormone that is increased under stressful situations. Number 25. Strengthen bones and athletic performance. Several studies conducted over the years have testified that regularly eating pomegranates could be excellent for your bone health. High flavonols present in the fruit actively help fight any inflammation which could cause problems like cartilage damage and osteoarthritis. Disclaimer. The information included in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to be a substitute for medical advice or treatment by a healthcare professional. Because of unique individual needs, the listener should consult their physician to determine the appropriateness of the information for the situation. Thanks for visiting our channel. Kindly like, subscribe, comment, and share. Press the bell icon to get timely notifications of our uploaded videos. You can buy food and kitchen-related products from our online store. The link is given in the description. Thanks once again.